Hi guys, welcome to Bhakkam Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to remove background in videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin. First of all, open your Adobe Premiere Pro software in your PC and import your video of that you want to remove the background. I am taking this video and simply drag and drop to timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Then search the color key effect in effect panel and simply drag and drop that effect to the video. After that, you have to go effect control panel and set the color key effect. Take the color picker dropper and pick the color in video that you want to remove. Then go to this setting tool and make sure to check mark with transparency guard. And go to the this key color setting and set it to according to your video. Very nice, it's enough. Wow, amazing. You can put any other video or other background to this blank part according to your eyes. You can also set this value according to your need. Okay, it's fine. Thanks for watching. Be peaceful, keep smiling. Thank you very much.